down at Goodrington South Beach, and this is one of the recommended places to see the Christmas special, the Train of Lights. It's put on by the Dartmouth Steam Railway and Riverboat Company, and it was one of the first, I think it was the first train of lights in the country for the Christmas celebrations. So we're eagerly waiting for the train to pass by. Goodrington South Sands is one of the best places to see the train go by. You can park in Cliff Park Road car park. It's a paid car park, but it's just a couple of minutes walk down to the viewing of the train. The Train of Lights travels from Payton to Kingswear most evenings. It travels about 3 times. The footpath, coastal footpath, follows the train track for quite a way, so I'm hoping to be able to walk along the footpath and get different views of the train. A bit dark, but I've got a good torch, so there's no need to worry. Well, here comes the train, celebrating Christmas 2021. Climbing up the steep gradient from Goodrington Sands Station, initially 1 in 71, eventually rising to 1 in 60. The railway follows the coastline past Oyster Cove and Saltern Cove. The train is now approaching the bridge at Oyster Bend. The southwest coast path goes under the railway line via the bridge at the end of Cliff Park Road. In the early 1970s, the line became a heritage railway, and some of the locomotives you can see throughout the year include Braveheart, Hercules, Goliath and Omaha. The train had just passed Churston Station and travelled across the broad sands viaducts. Waterside Holiday Park is on the right, with Berry Head Lighthouse shining on the horizon. Well, here comes the train. Coming back from Kingswear to Peyton. The Christmas Train of Lights. If you want to see another film, I'm sure Roy Edwards will put one up. He's got a ticket to go from Peyton to Kingswear and back, and so you should see some film of the stations as well as the inside of the carriages, so do have a look at that, and do like and subscribe his channel, because he's trying to get 1,000 subscribers by the new year. Also this year I've been looking at Paul on Westcountry Wanderings. That's a very interesting channel. He gets around to several different places, like Cheltenham and Bath, and also he's done the Cotswold Way, as well as some film on the Stroudwater Canal, so have a look at that. And if you want an adventure, then do look at Debs' Extraordinary Adventures, because she gets the castles and wild camping on Dartmouth, as well as kayaking, so do have a look at those. I will put a link below to their channels. Also, if you're interested in trains, Admirals Corner is good for trains as well. So we're nearly just a couple of days away from Christmas now, and so I'd like to wish you a meaningful Christmas, and a healthy new year. So until we meet again, God bless and take care. Bye for now.